Hello, my dear student. This is Mohammad Mazudul Haq Khan. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today, I would like to discuss about ICT, chapter 11, Business Organization and Management, first paper, Information and Communication Technology, Electronic Business, Electronic Commerce, and E-retailing. What is technology? Technology is the way we apply scientific knowledge for practical purposes. It includes machines like computer, but also techniques and processes like the way we produce computer chips. Information technology is the use of computers to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data or information. Communication technology is the another important part of information technology infrastructure. The significant aspects that comprise this technology include networking, internet access, and website development. One can easily exchange, transfer, and provide information through a network. So communication technology include the internet, multimedia, email, telephone, and other sound-based and video-based communication means. So ICT or information communication technology includes all digital technology that assist individuals, businesses, and organizations in using information. It covers all electronic products that deal with information in a digital form. Therefore, information and communication technology concerned with digital data storage, retrieval, and transmission. ICT makes a business more efficient, effective, and promptly respond to customers' need. Information communication technology can assist business activities including design, manufacturing, research and development, distribution and sales, and feedback. Necessity of ICT in business. The necessity of ICT in business is presented in the following way. Quick transmission of information, that is one of the major contribution of information technology, is that through this it is possible to transmit information so quickly. With the help of developed technology of information, any information can be transmitted to any distance receiver in the twinkling of an eye. Take instant decision. Managers always remain capable of taking any business decision with the help of developed communication technology. They can collect any information they need from any source in any location of the world by just pressing the button of a computer. Lowering communication cost. Modern communication technology does not only save time of communication but plays important role in reducing communication cost as well. Information can be sent or transmitted from one place to another through email at a much lower cost than that of ordinary post. Increasing the speed and efficiency of work. Because of information and communication technology, it is possible to take decision promptly due to quick availability of information, just as the speed of work does increase too. Increasing the ability of competition. Such kind of technology does positively affect the ability of businessmen's competition as well. Those who are advanced in this regard always get additional advantages compared to others in the field of work. The developed countries of the world are advanced due to the fact they have been successful in making effective use of information and communication technology. The government's businessmen who are advanced in this regard are doing better in business compared to others. They are successful in drawing more and more foreign buyers. This matter is applicable to all cases. Use of ICT in business. The area in which information and communication technology may be applied, that are used in factory, used in trading organization, using bank and finance institution, using import and export business, using tourism industry, using transport industry, help in reducing accident, using share market, bond market. Now I would like to discuss about the important topic e-business. Electronic business, shortly known as e-business, is the online presence of business. It can also be defined as the business which is done with the help of internet or electronic data interchange, that is known as e-business. E-business is not confined to buying and selling of goods only, but it includes other activities that also form part of business, like providing services to the customers, communicating with employees, client or business partners, can contact the company in case if they want to have a word with the company, or they have any issue regarding the services. All the basic operations are done using electronic media. Now I would like to discuss about e-commerce. E-commerce is an abbreviation used for electronic commerce. It is the process through which the buying, selling, dealing, ordering, and paying for the goods and services are done over the internet, is known as e-commerce. In this type of online commercial transaction, if the seller can communicate with the buyer without having a face-to-face interaction. The basic requirement of a e-commerce is a website. There are various types of e-commerce that includes B2B, B2C, C2B, C2B, G2C, G2B. B2B, the process where buying and selling of goods and services between business is known as business to business. For example, you can say Alibaba.com, Qualcomm, Oracle. B2C, the process whereby the goods are sold by the business to consumers, that is B2C. Example, AliExpress, Ivali.com, Daraz.com. C2C, the commercial transaction between customer to customer. Example, OLX.com, Bikroy.com. C2B, the commercial transaction between customer to business. G2C, the commercial transaction government to customers. G2B, the commercial transaction between government to business. That's all about e-commerce. Next, I would like to discuss about e-retailing. This is a very important topic. Electronic retailing is the sale of goods and services through the internet. E-retailing can include B2B and B2C. It is majorly connected to retail, that is B2C. Business to consumer transaction, mostly of physical goods. The electronic retailing, also called e-retailing or internet retailing, is the process of selling the goods and services through electronic media, particularly the internet. Simply, the sale of retail goods and services online is called as electronic retailing. It follows the B2C business model, wherein the business interacts directly with the customers without the involvement of any intermediaries or middlemen. Advantages of e-retailing: through electronic retailing, customers can save both the efforts and time. The wide range of product is available online, so the comparison can be made easily before the purchase. Third, the customer can shop anytime and from anywhere. The facility is available 24 hours. Number 4, the huge discount can be availed while shopping online. Number 5, the detailed information about the product is available online that helps the customer to make the purchase decision. Number 6, the electronic retailing offers the easy payment terms such as payment on delivery that instigate the customers to shop online. There are some disadvantages of e-retailing. The customers may not be sure of the quality of the product offered online. It is the tendency of every individual to bargain before making the final purchase, but this option is missing in this case. Number 3, the product is not readily available. The customer has to wait for some time to get the product in hands. Number 4, every customer wants to see and feel the product that he purchases, but it is not possible in case of e-retailing. The customers makes the makes the decision just by looking at the image. Number 5, the customer may not trust on the payment gateways and fear the misuse of credit cards or any other mode of payment. That's all about advantages and disadvantages of e-retailing. So, e-retailing, e-commerce, e-business is very important for creative questions. Now we can distinguish between these two, that is e-commerce and e-business. E-commerce and e-business, main difference: e-commerce, trading of merchandise over the internet, that is known as e-commerce. E-business, running business using the internet, is known as e-business. Simply we can say, in case of e-commerce it requires website, in case of e-business it requires website, CRM, ERP. CRM means that is customer relationship management, and ERP means enterprise resource planning. Then what type of network is used? In case of e-commerce, internet is used. In case of e-business, internet, intranet and extranet is used. What they carry out? In case of e-commerce, commercial transaction takes place. In case of e-business, business transaction takes place. That's all about the difference between e-commerce and e-business. So from the above discussion, the major important question, one or two marks question is: what is communication technology? What is information technology? What is the full form of ICT? What is meant by information and communication technology? What is online shopping? What is e-business? What is e-commerce? What is e-retailing? What are the advantages and disadvantages of e-retailing? That's all about one mark question. And two marks question: why is ICT important? Explain the idea of e-commerce. What kind of business is B2C? What kind of business is B2B? That's all about two marks questions. Now I would like to share with you basically online business. What is online business? Online business may be defined as the ongoing system which is connected with and controlled by the computer under a network. When a network is developed among the different branches of a bank under a central server and a computerized system is developed for payment of the check of one branch from another branch and accept deposit in the same way, then we call this online banking. Similarly, when business activities is administered through internet connection of one business with another, between a businessman and his customers, between the customers and so on, then that is called online business. So online business is any kind of business or commercial transaction that includes sharing information across the internet. Commerce constitutes the exchange of products and services between business groups and individuals. Beyond online banking, a few other important online business maybe online marketing, online auction, online purchasing group, online shopping, online reservation, online financing, online securities trading, online publishing. That's all about online business. Okay, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. See you again in the next class. Thank you.